Did you know that one of the most famous Din Tai Fung dishes is something so easy that you can make it at home? Today I'm going to show you how to make the chicken and noodle stir fry start to finish. This has quickly become my family's favorite weeknight dinner. The recipe comes together quickly, so you start by mixing together 3 ingredients for the sauce: 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce, and 2 teaspoons sesame oil. Next, I cook udon noodles to al dente and thinly slice 2 large chicken breasts. To cook the stir fry, start with the chicken. Add a teaspoon olive oil and a teaspoon sesame oil to a large wok or skillet. Add a tablespoon garlic, and after it sizzles for about 30 seconds, add in your thinly sliced chicken. Cooking the chicken is best on a thin layer, and move it around every few minutes so it gets a little bit browned on the outside and is cooked through. When you're done, transfer it to a plate. Use the same wok to cook carrots and red onion. Stir for a few minutes until the veggies are tender. Then it's time to add the cooked chicken back in, then add the cooked noodles, add the prepared sauce, and a cup of fresh spinach. Give this all a stir on medium heat until all the sauce and ingredients are nicely integrated. When the spinach wilts and everything is warmed up, it's time to enjoy. This is definitely one of those easy weeknight dinners you can make all in one pan, and if you're like me and you don't live near a Din Tai Fung, this is definitely a great option to enjoy their noodles at home. Like all my recipes, you can print this at sipbytego.com, and while you're there, sign up for my Foodie Fridays email community. I'll send you one delicious thing to cook each weekend. I have so many delicious recipes for you. See you in the next video.